This tutorial is all about simple probability. All right, simple probability is a way to measure how likely an event will happen. It can be written as a fraction, okay, such as they'll say capital P, meaning probability, is the number of favorable outcomes over the total number of outcomes. You can also convert it to a percent. So let's do this little example. We have a jelly bean jar. It contains 10 jelly beans. There's my total. 3 are purple, 7 are yellow. So if I want to find the probability of purple, this is how they write it. Then you say, okay, how many are purple? There are 3 purple over how many total jelly beans? 10. So your probability is 3/10 that you'll actually pull a purple jelly bean. This is also 30%. Now, the probability of a yellow, 7 out of 10, which is 70%. And then what if they ask something like this? Probability of white. There are no white ones, so that's 0 out of 10, which is 0%. Now that leads us to the probability rules. If you get 0%, that is impossible, meaning it will never happen. I cannot pull a white jelly bean out of this jar of jelly beans. If I have a 1/2, that's equally likely. 50-50 chance, like 50% chance it's going to happen. And you can have a 1, which is certain. It will definitely happen, 100%. Okay, so if I had this jelly bean jar and I'm just asking what's the probability of pulling a jelly bean, well, 100% you're going to pull a jelly bean. All right, simple little example. We have a mystery snack bin that contains 20 sealed bags of snacks. 8 are pretzels, 5 are popcorn, 4 are apple slices, and 3 are cheese crackers. So what is the probability of pulling pretzels? All right, so there are 8 pretzels. 8 of those bags are pretzels out of the 20. You need to simplify, so 4 can go into both. So 8 divided by 4 is 2. 20 divided by 4 is 5. So the probability of pulling a pretzel bag is 2/5, 2 out of 5. They can also ask probability this way. What is the probability of not getting a pretzel? Well, how many bags are not pretzels? Well, if 8 are pretzel out of the 20, that means 12 are not pretzels. And again, simplify. We can divide by 4 again. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. And 20 divided by 4 is 5. Okay. They also call this the complement. You can write it as probability of pretzel. And you see that little tick mark right there? That means complement. That means everything that's not a pretzel. Well, we already know that that is 3/5. Okay, so complement would be the opposite of. All right, I hope that helps you.